Want to see what's on the inside of the Spring Summer 22 catalog? This is the video for you. What's up, bag babes? It is your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, hey, my name's Rochelle. If you're back for another video, what's up, bag babe? Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to actually give you the flip through of the new upcoming 31 Spring Summer 22 catalog. You bag babes love to know all about the haps that are going on this channel. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, join this awesome, amazing tribe of we call bag babes. Ring that bell, bing, so you don't miss a video, and give this video a big like. I'm doing 100 likes per video giveaway, so go ahead and like this video and then comment what number like you're down below, and I'll choose a winner from the comment section. In this video, I'm actually gonna give you the flip through of what you can enjoy and see, and I'm gonna also give you the tips right after the flip through so that you can score some major deals on this upcoming catalog. So let's get to it. So here are my top tips if you're new here, how you can save on this amazing catalog. First and foremost, one, if you just love everything, come in and join in on the pink box. We currently have 3 kits. If you're watching this in the month of March, we have a 4th additional kit at $20, and you can automatically unlock the discount of 25% us consultants get to enjoy, including these sale items, all right? If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Feel free to reach out to your consultant. I can totally answer those questions for you. Or if I don't know them, guess what? I can totally find them out for you. There is a contact me form down below that we can go ahead and connect. Also, if you want any more additional information, if you're new here, that contact me is the go-to on how to get a hold of me, right? The pink perk box is the one way you could totally save on all the things in this catalog, including your personal orders. The second way is to, of course, have a party. Now, I'm a big fan of the party of one. If my cart reaches $200 or more, because all the stuff is so good, you might as well create a link for yourself. Connect with me. I can make you one within seconds. You unlock all the rewards perks for yourself with that $200 order. Might as well reward yourself from all that hard shopping, right? to you if you want to make that into a party. Share that link with a few friends and family to rack up those rewards. And this is your party link. You decide on how you want to do it. Feel free to reach out to me, reach out to the consultant to create a party that works for you and your schedule and your needs. All right. Lastly, don't forget to enjoy the $50. You unlock that item for 50% off, right? So just add things, subtract things to the cart. The 31 system will automatically do the calculations for you. So don't fret if you're not the strongest person in math, because the 31 cart will work its magic for you. Once you have a $50 in your cart, you will unlock a 50% off item. And yes, most likely it will be the highest priced item. Again, the system will work it for you to give you the best deal. So if you're doing any shopping, get in on my monthly giveaway, my monthly mystery hostess, and you'll get in on my giveaway. My monthly mystery hostess, the link is down below. Every time that party reaches 500, because at 500, the party perks double, I automatically announce a winner and I open up a new one. We're already number 5, maybe 5 or 6 winners so far. Remember, 2022 is the year of you. This is my way of giving back. We might as well spread the love. So every time we hit that mark, might as well go ahead and announce a winner. Again, if you're shopping with me, you guys know I always do a monthly giveaway. You club members are already in on it. Get in on maybe a mystery bundle, maybe a new spring stuff. You never know what the monthly giveaway is. I just guarantee that it is going to be good. Join me Saturdays through Bag Babe TV. Go live with me and the awesome, amazing Bag Babes in this community. We play, we chit chat, we do a whole bunch of fun things. If the spring summer 22 catalog is your thing, make sure you subscribe, because I'll be uploading a ton of review videos that I did while at summer with the actual videos. So if you love what you're seeing on the paper catalog, you'll love what you're seeing on this channel with the video. So subscribe, check out these awesome playlists that I got for you, and I'll see you in the next video.